Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Settlemate app not working. So if you're also having problems that your Settlemate app that is not working for you and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did firstly is that I closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into the settings app instead. And in here, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage in here. And then I just simply waited a little bit for this page to completely load in here. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to load. And now when it's done, we're just going to simply scroll up like this, as you can see, until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search for Settlemate in here, as you can see, and click on it. Then you're going to click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here and then click on the blue button where it says reinstall app, as you can see. And now just simply wait for your Settlemate app to completely update to its latest version, because I guess that sometimes when they release like a new update, we need to be able to get it to make it work. So try this and go back into the app when it's done, and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.